Hello, and welcome to this presentation of my senior project. My name is Amy Brooks. I'm an adult degree student working on a Bachelor's of Individualized Study in Organizational Communications and Training. Organizational Communications and Training is a combination of courses that include human resource development, leadership skills, and educational media. Together, these core courses provide the competencies needed to become a facilitator, develop cognitive skills in problem solving and critical thinking, and enhance my knowledge in course delivery and design. I combine the human resource courses with educational media courses to enhance my skills in teaching, training, designing instruction, and developing multimedia. This instructional design project includes an instructional video, training manual, a research paper on the value of e-learning, and a web page that embodies the step-by-step process on how I designed the content. But first I need to ask myself, what is the purpose of my instruction? The purpose is to enhance performance in addition to formal Excel training, to allow users to have bite-sized nuggets of information to enhance the skills they already have with formal training. Expand the use of software and give the learner more confidence to perform tasks. The objective of the project was to develop instructional content using multimedia and design and deliver materials specifically designed to assist the administrative assistants at James Madison University to use an advanced tool in Microsoft Excel. I developed a training video that is based from typical data that the administrative assistants at the university use on a regular basis. PeopleSoft reports from finance and the human resource management system were used to prepare the source data. The learning objectives were for the learner to be able to summarize and analyze data using pivot tables, change pivot table operations and drill down to sort data, and format the pivot table using styles and apply conditional formatting to summarize the data visually. ADDIE is the instructional design model used to develop this instruction. This process provides a flexible guideline for building effective training modules. The 5 stages of this module are analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. In the analysis phase, I developed a survey to determine the knowledge and skill level of James Madison University administrative assistants in Microsoft Excel. This needs assessment allowed me to design, develop, and implement online training that can be specifically tailored to the needs of the administrative assistants on campus. A bulk email was sent to 429 administrative assistants at James Madison University to determine their use and skill level with Microsoft Excel. 123 responded to the survey. I use the SMART objectives as a goal-setting tool that encompasses the analysis and design layout of the project before preparing any content. This method measures goals and helps the designer stay focused and meet deadlines. It also gives the designer realistic ideas about accomplishing the goal and what factors could be constraining to the project deadlines. SMART objectives are for short-term goal setting. The design phase of the project is where I develop content, learning objectives, media selection, plan strategies, and an analysis of the subject matter. Here, every step is designed in detail. Learning objectives determine what the learning outcome should be. What should the learner be able to do when they complete the course? Are they reasonable and attainable? In the content outline, I developed the introduction to the material, made sure my objective was clear, and researched the topic defined by the objective. I then chose my support material, for example, Microsoft Excel, PeopleSoft reports, and iSpring for screen capture. The development stage involves creating a prototype, developing the course, and conducting test runs. When developing content for an organization, This is the point in the project where the supervisor would want to review the material or see a demonstration prior to completion. For my project, I worked on the production outline, the voiceover script, the video elements, for example, what software do I need for screen sharing, what platform best suits my needs for incorporating slides and video, and what is the easiest way to share the video with my colleagues. My course overview outline was introduction, step-by-step instruction on how to create a pivot table from data, instruction on how to arrange the data for optimal results, how to filter the data, how to format the data for visual presentation, how to print the data or create a PDF, and the conclusion. I pulled financial and human resource data from PeopleSoft and scrubbed all sensitive information and changed every employee name and ID number. I wanted the documentation to reflect the usual reporting administrative assistants are accustomed to without revealing personal information. I spent time writing the entire script for the instruction. I needed to be sure I was concise and the learner could easily follow what I was doing each step of the way. In the final stages, I recorded approximately 5 different screen sharing videos, allowing the learner to not only hear what I was saying, but watch me walk through each step on the screen. I developed my introductory and conclusion slides in PowerPoint. Then I converted the video files into MP4 and compiled the video and slides into iMovie. I spent many hours editing out unnecessary content, working on sound quality, adding transitions for seamless viewing, and watching the instruction repeatedly to be sure timing was accurate. Once my production was complete, I developed the evaluation questionnaire. The evaluation is a key component to understanding the impact instruction has on the learner. I chose to use the one-to-one evaluation technique, which involves gauging the effectiveness of the video. It is necessary to evaluate the following aspects of the video. Clarity. Was the main idea of the video well understood? Usefulness. Did the video help in achieving the goals that were set? And relevancy. Can the video be used to good practical effect in regard to the place it takes in the curriculum and the material being studied in parallel? A link to the evaluation is included at the close of the video instruction, but will also be sent out in bulk email to all the administrative assistants at James Madison University. My video instruction on learning pivot tables is complete and located on YouTube or on my Wix site. My Wix webpage gives a comprehensive view of every stage of planning and production. It also includes a link to the video and examples of the Excel documentation used in this project. I encourage you to log on to brksaj.wixsite.com/BrooksAJ Project1 and take a look around. Instructional designers play a vital role in creating an e-learning experience that keeps learners engaged and assists them in retaining information. Methodologies include planning and analysis, design and structure, collaboration with subject matter experts, multimedia tools, and implementation and management of the content. By using models like ADDIE, designers can represent a dynamic, flexible guideline for building effective training and support tools.